our subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you try to install macOS Big Sur on your Mac and you have error with it, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to try just the simplest way. Just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart, submit restarting, and just wait until your computer will restart. So this is the first simple way. Another way, just go to Finder, just found in downloads or applications, sorry, your version of Mac you successfully download before, and just remove it from here. So here you will see it. So just remove it, and after just go to App Store, just open App Store, found this macOS Big Sur again, and just download it and install again on your computer. So this is the simplest way. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to tap on Apple logo, just choose shutdown, just tap on shutdown, and just wait until your computer will turn off. And now just tap on power, just press Command R before you will see Apple logo, so it means that you will open that your computer will open macOS utilities. So just release two fingers from this command R and just wait until it will load macOS utilities. So just wait. So here you need to choose English language. So if you want, you can also choose another. So now just wait until it will examine volumes, and you will see this menu. So here you need to choose disk utility. Just tap on continue, and now you just need to tap on your hard drive and just tap on first add. So just tap here and just tap on run. So after you just need to wait some time until it will successfully finish this operation, and you will see done button active. You will tap on done and just restart your computer and try to install macOS again. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.